DxO PhotoLab 9 includes the latest version of DeepPRIME called XD2S, as well as XD3 specifically for X-trans sensors for you Fuji shooters. New to PhotoLab 9 is the ability to apply selective denoising, which becomes especially powerful when combined with AI masking tools. Let's have a look. We'll start with this beautiful photo here of this little bird by Petr Bambusek, and if we look closely at it, we'll see that it is very, very noisy indeed. That's because it was shot at an ISO of 25,000, as we can see from the metadata. So let's see what we can do to it. I'll start by just fixing the color. I'm going to go to the presets and choose the DxO style Natural. Now it already looks a lot better, and if we zoom back in, we'll see that much of the noise has already gone away. But we can certainly do a lot better, not just with the noise, but with the details in the bird's feathers. I'll go to my denoising tools, and under denoising, you'll see we have Standard, which is currently selected, DeepPRIME 3, a previous version, and now DeepPRIME XD and XD2S for ultimate quality and extra details. As you can clearly see, the details in the feathers are now phenomenal. It really has brought out so much in that little bird. Let's have a look at another example. This is an older photo that I've used in demos many times, so if you've seen some of my videos before, you might have seen this picture too. But this one cleans up so nicely and it just keeps getting better and better. Once again, zooming into 100% using the loop, we can see just how noisy this is. Now this isn't terrible right now because I already have standard denoising applied. If I compare this to the original, then we really see how far this image has come. But this is just the beginning. Now I'll go ahead and bump this up to the new DeepPRIME XD2S. And look at that difference. In fact, let's go into 200% to really appreciate the clarity here. That looks phenomenal. Again, comparing it back to the original and up to the denoised, it's truly remarkable. While simply applying the latest noise reduction always gives you a great result, sometimes you may want selective parts of your image to have a little bit more or a little bit less. And now you can do that. I'll go back to the bird photo and let's hide the loop and jump over to our local adjustments. I want to adjust just the bird. So I'm going to enable local adjustments, grab my new AI tool, and while I could just click on the bird to select it like this, I also have a tool down here called Select Animals. I'll let the AI do its thing and detect the animals, and there we go. So now we've got that bird selected. Let's go ahead and zoom into this thing again, and we'll leave it at 200%. I already see there's some remarkable detail being recovered in this image, but I think we can do a little bit more. So under the AI masking tools, if I scroll down, you'll see that now that I have a mask created, I have new DeepPRIME XD XD2S selection tools. I have luminance slider and a force detail slider. Now this is going to be very subtle, but I'll toggle it on and off and you'll see a subtle difference in there. I'll drag up the force details and drag up the luminance slider, not too far, just a little bit. And then I'll go back up to the top and toggle this on and off. There it is without, and there it is with. Again, a very, very subtle difference, but it is there. But I do have another example for you that's going to show it even more clearly. Let's go back to that bar photo, and I'll go down to that same bottle. And let's say that I want to get a little bit more detail out of this drawing here. So once again, I'm going to use my AI tools. I'll grab the selection tool, roll the mouse over the bottle, and select just the label. Now let's zoom into that. Go back down here to our selective adjustments, take the force details, and slide that all the way up. Once it redraws, you'll see there's quite a lot more detail that's just been recovered. Let me toggle that on and off, and you'll see here very clearly the difference between the two. And that's the latest in noise reduction in DxO PhotoLab 9.